Sorry guys, I'm back again. Sorry. They be don attack my Facebook. They be wan lock am for me. Oh, they say my Facebook is locked. Abeg, who try that thing? Make you not try again next time. Wetin dey worry una? I dey owe you money. Because I say €50 for hookup. Now I wan block my Facebook. Wetin dey worry una? Say una shop winch? Wetin dey worry una? Abi una dey pay for my internet? Una not try am again. I know they like that kind of thing, okay? Sorry guys, sorry, please share the video. Mona share, Mona no voice. If you want lock my Facebook here, Mona not try that thing, And my Facebook no be you getting, so Mona relax, Mona not try that thing, okay? Please share the video. Let me do things fast, and go. So everyone, I'm back again. Please share. Let others know that I'm back. Sorry everyone, there be one fly put. I don't know wetin I do there. I don't want to my Facebook. Mona not trying again. Mona not trying. So as I was saying before, let me continue where I have to restart again. So I don't need to continue where I stopped. So I said hook up. If anyone is interested in hook up in a relationship, mom is €50. If you're based in Europe, it's €50 for registration. If you're based in Africa, then that one we'll talk about that one in private. So, and another thing, if you're interested in online, is joining me in online business. If you are interested in joining me in online business, you can as well. When I said online business, I did not mean that maybe when I'm not listening on the other side. I mean, like, if you're interested in this Juice Plus advertising thing, if you're interested in the business, if you want to join, so you can join. You can inbox me so that I will tell you how it works. So that I can explain to you how it works if you're interested. If you are also not interested, it's okay. So one of our brother, let me not waste your time. Let me just do everything fast and leave here. One of our brother inboxed me today, and there are some things you want to know. But I was like, hey, I don't know, because I don't want to tell him red, whereas it's not red, it's yellow. So then I said, okay, let's bring the matter here. So bros, please, you can write out the comments, because like it's shy, you don't want people to know. You don't want people to know his face, or you know our people now. I'm not saying Nigeria people. I know say some Nigeria people, they too like to the laugh person. So maybe if he come outside now tomorrow now. So maybe tomorrow now people feel constant, they use until they laugh they say this not be you, this and this. So the person say no one show your face. So bros, I bet they write your comment out so that I'll they read them. People won't still know pass us, they will still let us know. First, we are waiting. We are waiting. Please share the video. Oga Prince, I'm waiting. Please write your comment out so that we'll do the thing sharply. If you are in Russia, let's hook up. Russia. Okay, so let me come close a little bit now. So okay, so please guys, listen. The question is, can Germany deport a person who has a child with a resident permit holder that is not okay? Somebody's trying to. The question is, can Germany deport a person who has a child with a resident permit holder that is a refugee status after he has acknowledged penalty and share custody of the child? Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Even have the child's birth certificate but have to submit his passport. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello. So, the thing is that for me, still let us know. But if to say the person for me, I for like make the main person, not be this one now because me I no fit understand am. Person wey just dey the condition, make the person come outside, make the person tell us wetin dey happen. Make the person tell us wetin dey happen. The prince Joe bros, you dey hear me so? If you fit tell the person, make the person come use the mouth to explain because e dey fear. Why e dey fear to bring the passport out? May I tell una something? Many people now, because many people for Germany now, many of them they no get the real birth certificate. E dey very very difficult before you go see many Nigerians when they get paper when they call birth certificate, but that one no be birth certificate. The original birth certificate na 3, and with ego dey. If you see am, you go know say this one na original one. Even those people when be say they still dey do the birth certificate, they will still tell you say this one not be the real birth certificate. Why they fear to give the passport to them? For me, advice when I get for that person be say make e carry the passport give them. Make e carry the passport give them. Nothing dey happen. If he carry the passport give them, they will do the original birth certificate for the pikin. If you no carry the passport give them, they no go give am the original one. And the time wey be say go take say make e go carry the passport come outside, that time go don too late. Then they'll come get money wey be say they go cut for am, money wey go pay, because e get person wey I go translate for that time few months ago. So this person now, the woman say they no get passport, he and the husband they no get passport. They tell am say okay, if you no bring your passport now, in future if you want say you want bring the passport come outside, you go pay so amount of money. The woman say okay, no problem. So bros, make I go back to the comment again. So bros, so if he get the passport, for me and my advice for him now, make he carry am go give them. Nothing dey happen. You go only give them, they will do photocopy. Or but make I first ask you question. Abi this man first seek asylum, tell them say you no get passport. You for tell the person, make the person call. They're not the short person, make it call so that we go understand this thing well. Because all this writing now, those ones person not fit understand well. If you fit tell the person, make it call, or if you too yourself you want call, make you explain well so that we go understand this thing. Because this one when be say passport, they fear for deportation. Why go fear? If they want, if they want deport now, when I go Nigeria embassy, I ask about this thing. If they want deport Nigeria people now, they don't even need their passport. Hey, if he has his passport, that one is no problem. You should go and give them. That one not a problem. And that is what he uses to acknowledge penalty, and he has the original birth certificate of the child. He has the original one, but Oga, me I no dey understand your comment now. If you get the original birth certificate, then wetin they need the passport for again? If you don't do the original birth certificate, wetin they need the passport for? Na question. If you say you get the original birth certificate, so tell us wetin they come need your own Nigeria passport for? And another thing wey be say I wan tell our people be say, then say this one no be say I hear am for one person when they do live video like they deport 50 people for Germany or this one. Say no, this one na koro eye with person when they work for embassy, the boss. The man explain things to me. If they want deport Nigerians now, more than the fear, they don't even need passports to take Nigeria go back home now. As things dey now, they don't need any passport from you. They don't need your birth certificate. They don't need anything from anybody. So if una want do something, they say wanna bring una passport. If una get the passport, wanna carry and they give them. Yes, he seek asylum. He was rejected and asked Dudu for 6 months. Okay, he seek asylum and he was rejected and he asked Dudu. For that Dudu, if they want to deport him, they can deport him at any time. But since he still have 6 months Dudu, is still fresh, because sometimes they can give you from 6 months, they give you 3 months, from 3 months, sometimes 2 months, 1 month, then from there they'll start giving you week, then from there anything can happen. But for me, advice that I will give to that man or that woman, you should go and give them the passport. It doesn't mean they are not going. If they want to deport him, they can deport him without the Nigeria passport. So tell him to go and give them the passport so that I can do the original birth certificate for the child. And me, the house lender beholder, ask him to bring it. If house lender, then maybe they want to give him documents. I don't, Oga commenter, I don't understand this your comment, eh? Maybe they want to give him documents. Me, I was holding Dundun before. I don't know where I keep it. I will go now. Could have said, let me go and bring it. I was having Dundun before. They give me Dundun without no rejection anyway. Without no rejection. I asked them, can I take a lawyer? They said, no, you don't need a lawyer because the government have not decided yet what they want to do with you. I was like, yeah, many people was laughing. Yes, they want to deport her back or this. But today, uncle, I'm balanced. I'm not scared of anything anymore. I'm not thinking that tomorrow somebody will come and knock my door and say, madam, you have to go. So sometimes do come with documents. So tell him to go and give them the passport. No matter, even though you give them, even though you don't want to give them, if they want to deport, they will deport. So let him give them the passport. Maybe sometimes it will be like this. Maybe sometimes they want to give him documents and they need his country passport. So for me, I will just advise him to go and give them. But if he's scared, if he's saying that I don't want, tell him to pray out or tell him to contact his lawyer. You have a lawyer or not? Oga, the person get lawyer. Oga, the person get lawyer. Please, if you can call him, just call him so that this thing we can talk about it at once. Some person will need to wait now, come to talk to all those things. I don't like it anyway. I'm waiting for your comment, please. So that is it for me, because the man said they don't need passport from anybody before they can deport. So Nigeria people, you guys should stop being scared if they ask you to bring your Nigeria passport or they ask you for your birth certificate. Stop being scared. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Because the truth is that now they want to deport. They don't need your passport. They don't need anything from you. They want to deport. They just tell you, bros, Apa, waka, now today. You don't finish. Go just waka, and dear, go see yourself for a cabin. One of the fear, make cross your heart, make contact a lawyer, make call friends when be say I don't even know. Make it carry the passport, go give them. Make it carry the passport, give them. As though the meaning of Dundun, or then tell him to ask his lawyer now. Although say some lawyer they when be say their head bend over here. Me, since when I come Europe, I never carry lawyer for my documents. So now God will be my lawyer. Apart from maybe some kind things happen here, I feel need lawyer. For document side, I never carry lawyer because I don't believe in them. I only believe now my God will be my lawyer. So he said another question. Okay, the second one is he has a child with a German lady since 1 year, but he was asked to go back home and come back with a visa before he will be granted. Bro, so that all those questions are lie. Those ones are lie. Na lie. When I say na lie, I open my mouth talk and say na lie. Unless say maybe now their law don't change. Unless say their law don't change because before unless say maybe the woman no wan gree because this thing I first talk am before, I think few weeks ago. If you born for German, the German no accept you. Forget, not think say you go get documents, you no go get. If the person wey you born for, be you man or woman, the person no carry head. If the person no carry head, come down. If the person no relax well, the paper you no go get am. Oga Prince, where there for the third person say make person go back to Nigeria. after 6 months make use visa take come. That one na if the woman and the man wan marry, if the woman and the man wan marry, na dem go say make e first go house, because even the letter, if dem wan marry, letter wey dem even dey give them for marriage, dem go even write say because of the corruption in Nigeria. And una wey be Nigeria, na know say una country corrupt well well. Dem go write am say because of the corruption in Nigeria. How I take know? Because my own na my own, na I take know. No be say dem say my own, na I take know. So if you wan marry, na dem go tell you say make you go house, or dem go ask you, like me now, maybe because say I get pikin that time, dem no wan send me with my daughter go Nigeria. Na make dem tell me say make I go count, make I tell them how many workers dey Nigeria. Those people, they are funny. If they really want to deal with you, forget them. If you see any Nigerian woman wey say she marry German, carry light, carry torchlight, look am well whether person na real German. Because before you go marry real German, e dey very very difficult. Before you go marry real German, but if you wan marry Arabu German, e dey very easy. You go marry them immediately, they no care. But when it comes say na their person, their own person, forget that marriage. They go deal with you, they go paint you black and white, yellow, they go turn your front to your back. So bros, make you ask that your friend well. You know, they tell you the truth, because if you don't born, okay, if you say you don't born and say maybe the woman don't born for am, if you don't sign the father shaft, the birth certificate don't dey, tell am say make he carry the paper with the father shaft and the everything, make he carry and go rat house. Make it the list you, make he carry those paper, make he carry and go rat house for a city there when dey. First, the place wey be say for born the pikin, make they ask whether that pikin na German or na Nigeria be, make they know from there. Make he carry all those paper wey be say don't sign, make he carry am with the woman and with the pikin, make they go rat house. Then after rat house, now maybe rat house go come check everything. If everything their system say the pikin and German, they'll come give the pikin maybe German passport. If they don't give that pikin German passport, then from there the papa will go they prepare. But if maybe the woman no wants, because sometimes we women with the wicked one kind of, because we know now say many Nigeria only waiting they want now that paper. After I don't get on, they will cower. So maybe I make that German woman they do iki for this matter. Because if now for the paper, the woman don't born for her. That one only make carry the paper when you don't sign the father shaft, the birth certificate, carry and go rat house, explain things, give them. Then maybe they'll tell you, say, okay, we feel give you, or okay, we not fit, or see where I go. But if na marriage, that one na truth, they will say me go Nigeria. But if not be marriage, they tell her me go Nigeria. Bros, tell that your bros, so tell that your friend, make it pack well, make it pray well. Make it know that woman will be say they stay with for her, so when you born for her, make it ask that woman question well. Make it carry that woman sit down, ask her question. Okay, somebody is asking, I'm coming. Somebody is asking what is dundu. I'm coming. Okay. Somebody is asking what is dundu. Sorry, huh? Dundu is sometimes because they have different type of dundu. Like me, I have dundu because I was staying in Italy before, so they give me dundu. So that one is no problem. Sometimes when you are doing hospital, maybe your hospital stop, or maybe if you are making problem every time you are fighting, they can also give you dundu. But the most dangerous dundu is maybe if you seek an asylum and then later they give you rejection, they ask you to leave the country, and then they can take your advice and put dundu. Then when they put dundu in your advice, that one you have to be careful. That dundu is red line. They'll put red line like this, red line. I can't get my own. I could have said, let me go inside and search for it. So that one is the meaning of dundu. Johnson, Ameze. So in case if you have more questions, you can still ask. So that is it. Yes, in my city, I have seen some guys who married but was asked to go and come with a visa But this my friend own in Woodsburg, I'm just a bit confused. Yes, that's why I said ask that your friend question very well. Maybe there is something your friend is not telling you, because maybe that your friend want to get married to that woman. Maybe don't want to tell you, because I never see where they will say like me, I have a baby with a German. Oh, we wanted to marry before I even got pregnant, but what German people asked me was like, hey, so I can't even get it. Even in my next thousand years to come, I can't get those things they ask. But this one now, bros, ask that your friend question well, carry and sit down, ask am question. He wan marry the woman. If you wan marry the woman, I don't fit tell am that one. And for those people, oh, make you no disturb all those land trust am. No concern land trust am. Wetin go do? Make he carry father shaft and everything. Hey, that your anyway, since he dey with German, to say he dey my city here now, maybe I for say make I help am do the thing. Tell am make carry him wife, that him wife and the baby, make carry them go rat house with all the paper wey they get. Mostly important thing, father shaft, the baby birth certificate. If you don't sign father shaft, say na him born the pikin, then make he carry the father shaft and the baby birth certificate, make he go there with that woman wey born for am. Then from there, maybe go get the answer when they find. Say make fair go Nigeria. That one I never seen her before. Let's say I'm married, because I see one bros when be say still married from the bros they say I go Kempton. So this bros now, before he marry a white woman, German woman, they tell him say me go back to Nigeria for 6 months. Then later, the woman will send an invitation letter, make take come. Even when the bros want come on, say all of us, they say, oh God, oh, waiting be this, so this bros want go God himself. But for God so kind, the bros he come back successfully. Now they are happily married, they are doing everything together. But sometimes that your bros tell am well whether I trust that woman, because na no say Oyibo, even no be only Oyibo, including black. The if he just go now, you know, it never reach 1 month, the Oyibo go see another black boy follow, or you go even see another German, go say no concern again. So this matter na 50-50, and na God. Me, I dey Essen, I dey for Essen. Oga Papa, I dey Essen. So na God na the help person for this German problem. So, and that bro, so when they say me first go Nigeria, tell that your friend make he look well. Abi don't first do problem. Abi get Nigeria babe when be say the shop one corner, you just carry that white woman like first class mugo. Because many of our Nigerian men are waiting that they do. Go say, forget that side, you know me, forget that thing. Na white woman born for me. You go be my wife. Bros, forget that side. Be you white or black, man and man, woman and woman. Now they feel me so, woman and woman. So ask that your friend question. Maybe if they do like this now, maybe they try one shit the woman. You go the thing say maybe they know they see what they happen. You go the thing say maybe they know they see what they happen. Forget that side. Forget that side that they see what they happen. That they see what they happen. So tell that your friend make it pack well, make I quickly listen to this message. So please, if anyone wants to, if you have anything to contribute to this topic, you can as well call, no problem, so that you can also tell us what you think also. Anyway, share the live video ya true na ya call when you making up on see, okay? So it's like somebody also needs some help from us concerning this issue, but I think for her, she said her internet is not good, so maybe tomorrow she call me, or if I talk to her this night, then maybe tomorrow we can talk about it, on live video, okay? Because today I don't want to waste people time, or let me call her if the thing will connect so that she can explain to me. So that is it, my people. So if you born for white, hello, Krista. Èmi no taba ma understand. Marry life. Okay, walara. It's precious white. Yes, I have. Any problem? You want me to give you? Yes, I have. So that is it, my beautiful people. If una dey follow white people, I fit talk at that day. No, maybe you wan collect your share for inside now. You know, say some people they like to ask foolish questions. Today no be, are you married? Did you have a husband? Today now, did you have document? And which city are you? More than nobody. I dey here go answer now. So that be the thing, my people. I beg. I dey beg everybody. Be you America, be you London, be you Congo, any country wey be say Nigerians dey now, make dem dey be careful, because this deportation is real. I know say we go say we heard the year story, they go say I no level, na so we dey hear am since they deport this and this for there. See, people dey wey be say that they receive wetin I no even know, that they receive. Our people dey suffer. Our people dey suffer. Our people dey suffer. Any country wey be say una dey, if you know say you be Nigeria, advice wey be say, short advice wey be say I go like to give una now be say, make una dey save money. Very important. If you no send the money go house, no problem, because sometimes you send money go house, the family now go use your money take claim out. They go do am like say nothing dey happen. If na pangolo una wan buy, or if una go buy those pants or boxers wey be say they get pocket, una go buy, make una dey save money put. If una like, make una take am. If una like, make una not take am. If una like, make una take. Germany is not safe for anybody anymore. Germany not safe. And some people wey be say, even though you get document, you think say, forget that side, nothing dey happen, and you dey miserable. Once one hand like this, now they take, because now they dey vex. Even they say some Germans dey Nigerians now, I don't know what they even send me the video sef. Maybe make I try play the video here for our face. Nice. So if you dey German, you dey Europe, anywhere where you dey, any country where you dey, I dey beg everybody, more than they save money. Very important. Very important. More than they save money. Forget say you get from me.
Nigeria for a meeting with the Foreign Ministry of Nigerian migrants currently in Germany. A top German diplomat has been sent to Nigeria for a meeting with the Foreign Ministry this week. CGTN's Kalechi Mikalam has more.
Efforts to repatriate thousands of Nigerian illegal migrants living in Germany has been on for years, but German authorities are not happy it's moving at a slow pace. Only 200 migrants out of 30,000 have been successfully repatriated to Nigeria, and that's why Germany's foreign policy advisor, Jan Hacker, came here to discuss how to quicken the repatriation process. Germany has completed all legal processes to repatriate as many as 30,000 illegal Nigerian migrants, but they can't be moved back except the Nigerian embassy issues them travel documents. So Germany wants to negotiate with the government the possibilities of issuing emergency travel certificates. But Nigeria is not buying that. Foreign Minister Geoffrey Onyema says the move to send a German diplomat to Abuja is an effort to
This one not finish well, so let me go to Facebook because Messenger I think is long there. So now be the thing, who dey Germany now, whether na Germany or any country, maybe they try to save money. Yeah, we know say we get family for us, our family go eat, yes, everybody know that one. But brother, sister, make I tell una one thing when be so una no know. God forbid tomorrow make something no happen. Una see those people when we say we they always they think about here. they say my family or my family. When you go home tomorrow, now your family go first tell you say, I beg you, since when you dey Europe since how many years, who you help? Whereas maybe some of us now, wetin we no fit do, we go say because say we no go school, we must do and make our brother go school, we must do and make our sister go school. At the end now, those people now when you give the money now, make them take go school, make them take do reasonable thing, make them take open market, make them take they do good things. Now they'll come tell you tomorrow, say abeg shut up, you know the shame. Since how many years when you dey Europe, what you don't fit do? You be like, eh? No be you dey chop my money. I say, which money? You don't send me money once, even me, my whole family. I surprised one day when they quarrel. You know, say Nigeria, they chop your money, if they never quarrel. They never quarrel, you know, go no say confession no go come. When the thing happen, this one come they say, na so this one talk or say since when you enter Europe, you never spend money for them. The other one say, no, na so this one talk. I was like, hey. So as they do that thing, me myself, I pick my sense. So if you're Nigeria, if your family for home, they never do these things, you know go pick some sense. But anyway, show na way, my advice for our people be say, make we try, including me myself, make we try to dey save money. Very, very important. Make we dey save money. Cause that Nigeria, Nigeria no be easy place to go. You see, as all of us just dey Europe now, they see and say Nigeria dey backyard there. Nigeria no dey backyard o, Nigeria far, far well. So no be wetin we dey see for Europe, no be the same thing dey Nigeria. So I dey beg my people, who get make e juice the head well, who get nyash make e juice and taste it down well. Europe dey hot. See person dey write serious now say they deport some Nigeria people from America today. That is it for everywhere now. The other day now, inside last week now they take deport 52 people for Italy, but nobody dey carry those ones. Now they take deport. I dey beg everybody, forget swagger for now, bro, sister. If people want laugh you say you know they wear Gucci again, make them laugh. Save your money in case God forbid tomorrow say they come. If they come tomorrow, they say aya, you go quick you take that your money. Because I know say they want deport, they must tell you say take something where be say they important to you. They must tell you that one. I'm sure. If anybody say they deport and say they don't allow and carry anything, you know say something they will be say you know clear there. They must allow you take something. So more they save money well, more they keep money. If now under on bed and I want keep the money, make now they keep on, make now they save money. Family go eat. If we not come Europe, family for not die. Family for still dey there, they'll still dey. Sometimes now we go surprise who will be say we dey Europe here. Car will be say we not even drive, but people when they Nigeria then. People when they Nigeria there, they drive different car, they go different place, go they eat good food. But we when they here, we just they look, they work the money they carry, they give them. We just they carry the money they give them. So 1 year make it, you know 1 year, will call me. My advice for everybody, be you man or woman, make una dey save money. And another thing when we say I want to tell my people here, we say if they say make you bring your passport, give them. Because this man for embassy say they don't need your passport before they go even deport you. They don't need your passport. Now another paper like this, embassy go piam. Even though say you even get the passport, if they want deport, they will still deport. Even though you don't get it, if they want ordinary paper like this, embassy will just see piam. They will just work out. You don't go with that. So my brothers and sisters, because some people there now they'll say, "Mona bring una passport." That passport now maybe they want give the document, and that bros now will be say he pick his wife or a baby mama get documents now for that bros. So me I believe I get them for my belief say now documents they want give them. Bros, you still dey line now. Tell that bros make it carry that passport go give them. Later anything will still happen, let us know. But for me I get them for mine say now better thing won't happen. They want give that man document. They want give him document. You will see him. If you bring a passport now, by the grace of God, maybe before few months time, that you go hear the good news. They'll give him a document. If they ask una for una passports now, more na they give because they don't get what they want use una passport to do again. If they ask, I remember when I come here in 2014 with my big belly, because when me they come, I follow flights come because I get document for Italy. As I come, so people say, this is your passport when you give me, oh, they go deport your enemy, oh, they go do this one, oh, forget. See, now God, oh, now God. If not be God, you go the reason. I saw say God dey by your side. I saw say God dey by your side. Forget what people go talk. Many people go still give. Many people go give you problem. They will tell you different kind of things. They go like shake your mind. They will tell you say, abeg no try am o, no carry am go o. If you do am o, they go deport you o. If you do am o, they go do this one o. If you do this one, they go do this one. If you do this one, they go do this one. Forget them. Forget them. They not rich. Forget them. They not rich. They not rich. You go out before you go see Nigeria. Nigeria person when you head correct, when go call you sit down, put better sense for your head. Only waiting with Nigeria know now. Hey bros, have fun now. You know see that cloth? May we go buy am. They know how to drop person. See, now only Nigeria you go see. They'll just make big lie. They drink beer together. They eat together. Yes, they did for that one. But when it comes to good advice, reasonable things, you don't go see Nigeria still. If you yourself even say maybe be the good person there, now from there they'll still tell you say, I forget that one. That one they do only. You want to say now it could pass, bros. Wanna be careful. Enjoyment good though. But this time around now, when Nigeria dey now, the one when Nigeria dey now, make everybody dey well. Because our pale for Bongo, they say they need them back. Yeah, that is it. That is it. I know say make una no help or make people no go change am for me. Una fit help, but una just na sense. Maybe you dey get €100 now a month when you want save. Save €50 for yourself. Give €50 for them for house. Because if you can't say maybe the mumu now, maybe the can't carry out the money now send for them tomorrow if he set now. That our sister now will be say God for Lagos now. Fear not let her go Benin. Now only God know wetin happen to that woman. Only God now know wetin happen. When be say the woman no want talk come outside. When be say she no want talk come outside. So may everybody pick their own sense because wetin happen to that woman. Many people supposed to pick sense from this. Even me, I pick my own share sense there. I know some people will say, I forgot that side, nothing they happen. Forget something they happen. The Europeans, they don't need Nigeria again. Because another thing, they say, what did this man tell me for Evansing? Number one, Nigerians with a bonbon now like chicken. Nigerians, they bonbon like chicken. They bonbon like say tomorrow no day. They say if una wan born, make una go na country go dey bonbon. Nigeria we fit born 10 children, one person no problem. But for Germany, they say they don't tire. Our people they suffer there. Many of our people they suffer for this Germany when we say we dey. Many people they suffer. But we know they see those ones. So the ones who be say we they see. Now those ones where they do fine boy, they use caro, they do everything they post for Facebook. Everything they do for her. Many day one side when we say that they cry every day. Many even day, many Nigeria, because that man say he gets some place where we say that they put Nigeria people when we say maybe you go come, you go say you not be Nigeria. You go say you not be Nigeria. Okay, they'll say maybe you go bring Somalia passport, you not get. Go bring Congo passport, you not get. Go bring this one passport, you not get. The man say get where they put stay. He say if you go there like this. He say if you go there like this. Sometimes he they cry for the people. When they say I beg Oga, make una deport us. Help me beg them, make them deport us. Help me beg them. I was like seriously. The man say you not get sense now. I make it. He say now they do am. He said the good side when be so na see for Germany now. Now this money when they give you now. And this money. And the worst part of it, Nigerians, we need to change our way. The way we be say we take the leave for Europe. Another our country, if we dey Nigeria, we want do anything we fit do. But this country where we dey, even though now you dey America, anywhere where you dey, this place not be your papa land, not be your mama land. See, you get e get one story one, you no be even story sef, the thing they even show am for news. E get I think Afghanistan or Pakistan man, e born his children here, or the man even dey small when he come here, born his children here, his children don even grow. But when this man enter, he tell them say time don reach when be say you take go back to your country. It was like seriously, e show where dem go. So if we dey another person land, we need to know say no matter what, whether the good or the bad, make we always know say where we dey no be our own. And some of us wey be say many people dey now wey be say they don comot for Nigeria. I know say Nigeria people, our family still dey eat our money, but e better say you go still say I be do something on our family eat am. In case God forbid make something bad no happen tomorrow, you go get that one wey you take dey sing for mouth. Some of our brothers and sisters just dey this life, this Europe, America, everywhere. Since when they just comot for Bogo, they delete. Some of them they don't even get their papa number. They don't even get any of their family member number. They don't get them. Only waiting they know they fit buy things for themselves. They fit give money to black boy. They fit give money to woman. They fit do anything. They fit dress fine. They fit post. To send money 1 cent go Nigeria still say uncle brother use this one take do something for me. E no dey. See make I tell you something. Maybe by the grace of God tomorrow now I pray may they not deport anybody. If na only land you still get for house or for Nigeria, if na only piece of land, even though na 50 by 50, you get for Nigeria, God forbid may they not deport your enemy. You see that 50 by 50, you fit go carry stick, go build something, begin start your own small business there. Una know why I like Nigeria? Be say nothing wey be say you go carry come outside, you no go sell. People must buy am. Even though na 100 naira you dey get a day, na still money. That one go let you take the manage first. But sister, if you no get all those things, you no even dey call your family time when you dey Europe. Nothing, you just do like say. And some people dey Europe. I even know some make I no like to dey measure their name here. And that thing dey vex me wella. Some of them, they get papa, they get mama, their papa and their mama, they village, they suffer for Nigeria. If you see them for Europe, they go even they tell you say their papa na Dangote, their mama na this one, their papa na this one. They forget their family for Nigeria. No matter how wicked your papa be for you when you dey Nigeria, no matter how wicked your mama dey wicked reach, una no still forget say family na family, blood na blood. No matter how your friend go take you reach, say now you be my best friend, now you be this one, something go happen one day, go let you know say I'm not your family, I'm not one of your family. Make we put that one for head, make we no forget. Make I read comment. This woman you are talking about, she was not ready for the deportation and the police don't let they take anything. Maybe she have money in that room. No, Johnson Amazel, that one I don't believe. That one when she said that police did not allow her to take anything, that one is lie. I don't believe that. I don't believe that one is lie, because police, I beg go if una make because me I don't see person where they deport. If they want deport, not be even one person, they cannot be even two. They go carry, some people go come from Lantrasam, they go pack police come, they go carry some people where be say go help you pack your load. Person where they deport for the same as one day before. They carry, they tell them say make they carry things when be say they important for them, make they carry them, they pack them. So if they say me you not carry anything, that one a lie. Even though say they say that country they wicked, no matter how wicked that country go they rich, they must tell you if not only one bag, if not only one bag or two bag, they must tell you say me you take. If you say they tell you say me you not take anything, sister, that woman when she even talk that one, I talk and say na lie, she dey lie. I talk am. If una think say na lie, dey lie. Say una don see person when they deport, the person say they not allow the person carry something. Una fit still talk am out, make we know. Fosa Stephen, good evening, bros, good evening. So that one na lie. They must allow you because country where you dey go, they don't know how it be. Now they feel me so. If una even get friends wey be say they deport go Nigeria, wanna call them, wanna ask them whether they not allow them to take anything. Okay, you think say maybe they're just wicked. They will say no, don't carry anything. Country where you dey go, how it be. If you reach there, one thing make I tell una something. The woman say they not allow her to take anything. When she go Nigeria, what about those clothes when she and the children come they wear? No. What about those clothes when she and the children come they wear? So they just go there, buy immediately. Make people know they lie. that one they allow carry something. That one I disagree. German police not wicked like that. German not wicked. Or let's say maybe when they come to they follow that they fight or they do this one, maybe the officer a girl, maybe they just throw away and feel like that. May she go. But they must say me you carry something, even though not small thing like this. They must tell you say me you carry your important thing. But TV, you don't feel carry your TV. Now me sometimes I dey like to talk to our people. If you don't know where you stand, if you never know where you stand, put for Jamie. If you never know where you stand, put. Not the too much they buy things. You go see some people ask for Aduro. If you enter their house will be like paradise. The way when people say they'll take they spend, the way when people say they go take they spend money they put for their house, the way they'll take you go be like seriously. I say when they come up for camp, when they come up for camp, when people say they give me document, they pack, they come this my house. If I tell my things when people say I lose a lot of things, a lot. Because from Munich, come this side now, not be small thing. And the money for the transportation, not be small money. I lose almost everything. I can't sell my things. Chico, who want buy TV or who want buy this one? I can't sell things fast. I lose many things, a lot of things. So, sister, brother, if you dey Aduro house, you never know where you stand. Put balance well. Stop to the bye. Stop to the do like say you be the boss. Even sometimes those people that will come your room, sometimes they go look you, they will shake their head. They'll say, I see money when they give so personality, they do this one. They must allow you to take something. I was once a victim of deportation before. Okay, oh, thank you, Papa. You see, thank you. Because me, I never see where they'll say, you don't get how that country go wicked, rich, say that they can't eat black pass. They must allow you to take something. Or less, or else, say maybe sometimes they go carry you for your working place. Now they feel me so. Now make me they talk on before say if you they save money, if na pants when you get pocket you want they put on, they carry and they go anywhere when they go, that one no problem. Or let's say maybe they can't carry you for where you for the work, or they carry you for streets, or they go carry you for friend house. That one I know if you tell you say they will still carry you, say me go back to your house, go pack your things. No, that one I'm not sure. But say they can't carry you for your own house, for your own room. God, forget that side. You must carry something. Make una not they allow people they deceive una. Nigerians, wanna wise up. Mostly people won't be say they Germany now. Let's say sister, you they receive 150 euro, maybe one single. I'm talking about single now. Manage 50 euro till they eat a month. Forget clothes first. Clothes there anywhere you go. In fact, if you go buy cheaper clothes, go they buy, they wear first. Or till everything go dey okay for you. If everything don't dey okay for you, you want drive big car, you want do this one. A girl, now you can't know that time. But when you be say you dey Aduro house, you dey for Azul, park well, relax your brain. Relax your brain. Relax your brain. Relax. Wanna stop with forget. You see Nigeria. Today party, tomorrow party, next tomorrow party everywhere. See, and the worst part of it is that if you see sometimes where some Nigeria for they do party, Jesus, you go see Nigeria person where we say they never even tell how far, bros, whether you go stay, if they give you do and ask you to bring your passport. Man, I don't understand what you mean. If they give you do and ask you to bring your passport. I don't understand that question, man. Please rewrite it again, or you can call in and ask your question. No problem. We are here to support everybody. We are here to seek advice, and we are also here to give advice for those who need it. So sometimes you see some Nigeria people, Jesus, if you see them, oh my God. If maybe small pikin party, or they'll call them small pikin birthday, some people feel even spend 50,000. Some of them they'll go borrow money to do party. The person Aduro house so now they turn and so Aduro no be say you don't dey okay, you don't get paper. Aduro Azul now they talk so we go carry big money. One show say you want tell the neighbor say no worry, my party go big pass you. You never get paper. But if you don't get paper, say you don't know where you stand put. You want to do party for Aduro house, do anyhow you like, bomb clap. If police come, you sit there and say, now me be this, they go see you well. But not be say you never balance well, you go go dey do party wey be say nobody even know. Some kind things wey be say you go wear yourself, they go look like seriously. Like seriously. So sometimes Nigerians, all those things we need to stop them. If you know say you never balance well for your Aduro house, if you want to party, they know say Nigeria like party well. Yes, that one they know. Do small party. Do small one. Forget if people want laughing. When I not do my birthday, I know say many people say, see this woman, she not get money or she too dey stingy. No, I not do my birthday because now only me one day. Before I come, they cook, they just want to take the look sugar. And this apartment one day so I knew come and only me one be black person when they here. I know how Nigeria party they be. If I say they do party tomorrow now, come invite people come now. The next thing now alarm blow or police come or they begin the fight or they do stupid things here. Then I'm my name. Tomorrow night they give me quick notice say make I come for this house. Now I know say if I want to go for another house, it go still be problem for me because everything go dey ground. Say this woman see wetin push one for the first house wey she dey. So Nigeria people, so now need to choose nonsense sometimes. Please sister, I need your number. I want to discuss something with you. Okay? Happy Ken, good evening, my sister. Good evening. So let me bring my number out. I'm coming. My phone number is +491 578 41 94204. So I'm going to call it again. My phone number is, please guys, share the video. My phone number is +491 5784 194204. I'm going to repeat again. +491 5784 194204. That is my number in case you want to call me, you have any question or so. It's good to give them. Yeah, my lady, if you have dudu, and for me, I think it's okay because for now, I start what that man said. If you like, give your passport. If you like, don't give. So if they want to deport, they will deport. So I will not advise Nigerian people to keep their passport with them. It's better you give it to them. Anything can happen. If it happen, it happen. Because even though you don't give, if you want to still happen, it will still happen. So that is it. So my country people, we need to be using our sense. We should stop doing this party. Yeah, it's good to do party. It's good. Party is good. Yes, you have money. Yes. But use your sense. Use your sense. I'm telling you guys, use your sense. If person, see, make I tell now, Nigeria person go hard before you go see Nigeria person will be say, you go tell you say, I'm not do party. Why you want to party? You go see Nigeria, they will say, like, I use myself as an example. When they give me my document, people was like, hey, they give you document, you did not celebrate. Why you did not do party? I was like, hey, fuck you. I was expecting this document long time ago. The document even came late. I work hard to get my document. My document is not just maybe a zoo document or maybe I was just sitting and God just surprised me and give me the document. No, I was expecting this document long time ago. I know that I was going to get the document. So what did you want me to celebrate? What do you want me to celebrate? Nothing. So that is it. Amani Unity, you said she should not try it. For me, I will advise her to give give them because maybe it's good news. Ma'am, I hope you are still there. Let me quickly, Madam Eyo Francis, I hope you are still there. Let me give you this message. You see, Mama John, before they give Mama John her document, they ask her to bring her passport. She have dudu as well. She have dudu. They give her rejection. She have dudu. She was scared that they were going to deport her. They asked her for her passport. She was like, no, I can't give you. But today she's happy. She have documents. She have her own documents now. So if they ask you, sometimes they want to give you document. If you don't give, if you like, you give. If you like, you don't give. If they want to say, they will say, that's what the man said. The man said they don't need your country passport to fly you to Nigeria. So Amani Unity, that is it. If she likes, she give. If she likes, she don't give. It's a girl. It's a girl. Me, I was also having doodoo before, but God bless me. That lady was having doodoo, but now she has documents. So everybody should relax. Everybody should relax. If they want to deport, they don't need your passport to deport you. That one is true. This woman now, okay, this is our sister now we are talking about. They didn't ask her for her passport. They asked her to bring her passport, the children birth certificate, but she refused because they wanted to give her documents. They wanted to give her document, but she refused because she was like maybe too lazy or listening to what Nigerian people are saying. Now she's in Nigeria. So sometimes you just have to cross your mind, do whatever you have to do. Cross your mind, do it. Just say to God that, God, if it's your will, let your will be done. If it's not your will, then let it happen. I know a Nigerian man that when he came to Germany, he said he want to work. He said he want to work, and they asked him, it depends on the city you are. This my cousin now, she's in Munich. In Munich, in Bayern. In Bayern, even me, I was there also. I was also staying in the same house. So that is it. That is it. So I forgot, where did I stop? Oh, I even forgot where I stopped already. Passport or no passport, if they want deport, they will. That is it. I don't know why Nigerian people, why they are scared, huh? Why are you guys scared? All you need is to save money. Save money. I know that country is not good to go. But stop listening to people. Stop listening to them say. If you keep on listening to people, you never see. I'm telling you guys the truth. Maybe now they say, go on, like one of my girlfriend now. Today she's not online here. They have been asking her, go and bring your passport. If you bring your passport, we give you your document. She's scared. Even I was the one that forced her the last time to go and do passport. But she's still in Germany. They give her baby document already. They never deport her. Maybe next 2 weeks now, she'll go and take her passport. She do the passport, I think, 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago. Then they tell her to come back in 2 weeks now to take it. She's still in Germany. This one I'm talking about now, she based in Kempten. They told her, when you bring your passport, we'll give you your document. She was scared. She was like, no, I don't want, I'm scared. Fuck off. If you cross your mind, believe in God. Tight your hand. Believe in God. Pray to God. Take your passport to them. I'm telling you, do it. You will see the good news. The important thing is that you don't fight with the housemaster, you don't fight with the land some people, you don't mess up with people. Even though people are saying bad things against you, let them say. They are not your God. Let them say. Let them say. I'm telling you. Let them say. If you are scared, like, oh God, I don't want to give them, I'm scared. They don't care. With passport or with they do you. They do. If you think I'm lying, call the people you're supposed to call. Go to embassy, ask the chef, ask the boss, ask the people that can tell you the truth. Ask them. You will know that I'm telling you the truth. Don't be scared. They give you dudu here. You was not here before and then now you are back. They give you dudu. They ask you to bring your passport. Give them. Cross your mind. Azo, yes, thank you, Johnson Amazing. So thank you very much, my sister. There was a man, this Nigerian man or Benin man who make I carry my grandma come down. One Benin man, the same camp now we see there before for Munich. This man, when people want to work, they'll say, "Mona go bring a Nigeria passport." Some Nigerian people sometimes say, I don't know what they worry about our people. Whether now since they don't get to, whether now mumu debut. Some Nigerian people go do passport now. They'll get the passport too. They'll go to the passport. They'll keep on for their house. They'll keep on for their house. Go bring passport, may you work. You go embassy, go do one. And waiting Nigeria, our Nigerians don't understand now. Be say embassy and those people are working together. They are working together. They work together. They work hand on hand. They work hand on hand. If you go there and do your passport, they will write it down. So Mr. went to come to this place today to do passport. He have passport. So who do you think you are fooling? You are fooling the government or you are fooling yourself? They'll just be look. You say I don't have passport. They'll say hallelujah. You don't have no problem. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
I'm alive.
Can I call you back after the program or what?
If you have anything to contribute, you can talk now. No problem.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Please, I just need a woman for serious relationship that I need to marry, please. I don't know if you can help me.
Okay, no problem. Then you can write me with this number on WhatsApp. Are you? Did you have a kid?
No.
Okay, you based in Germany, right?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
33. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
But it's 50 euro to register.
Okay, now write you on WhatsApp.
Okay, no problem. Then I will be waiting.
Oh.
So this our brother now. This man now as he come, they say me go with passport. He say anything can happen. He go embassy, go do a Nigeria passport. He go do Nigeria passport. He give them the man they work today. He still dey the same Maduro house. They never send am letter say come comot or because say give them a passport now. They come say we must throw away. No, the man dey there dey work. He dey save him money. He no dey shop government money. He even dey pay for the Aduro room wey they give am. So if you believe if your hand clean, you know say nothing dey happen. Forget am. Forget am. I dey tell una the truth. Una forget am. Una forget am. Una no dey lis ten to all this side talk wey be say people dey talk dey spoil na mind say no carry o I dey fear o forget that side why you dey fear who dey wan throway dem go throway am maybe this our sister now dem dey tell am that time say no give dem if you give dem dem go deport you but at the end nko e still happen so if dem dey tell una small una bring una passport we want to give you document please bring your passport we need it please bring your passport give dem or if na so ask your lawyer whether may you give them. If your lawyer say no, may you no give. If your lawyer give you go ahead, give them. Pray to God. There's nothing God cannot do. If you not spoil person, your person not fit spoil your. And they tell you the truth. If you not spoil person, your person not fit spoil your. Or let's say maybe you be one kind of bird with they do like say you do your parle country, you do your male country, they do like say now you be the chef of Germany, now you be the boss, now your papa be the president, come begin they fight anything fightable, they go even they talk to you for land trust and go they insult them. See, make I give now. See, I they come make I feel if your hand clear, okay. See, make I tell you something. Sometimes if I see some Nigeria people say for public, I go the shame to even say I be Nigeria. I go the shame to say I be Nigeria. Sometimes if you see the way we be our people take they behave, see brother, sister, if you be that kind of person, you dey here today. I dey beg you from today go after this program, change your style. Stop with those things. Stop am. Change your style. You come here, somebody's calling. Hello? 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 Yeah, good evening. I'm alive.
Baby, I know. I need the right to your smile. How your side?
I thank God, boss. So your call this speaker?
I want to contribute
Okay.
on what you dey talk to
Okay.
about the bringing of those passport of the thing.
Yeah.
You know one thing when me still observe for the issue.
Yeah.
All cities not be the same. There are some wicked city. You understand?
Yeah.
I dey Munich here. I dey stay for Freising. Maybe you know am.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
Freising
Yeah.
from Munich.
Yeah.
You dey hear me so?
Yes.
Mostly some people wey be say they get juju is not advisable when they say make dem bring passport. They should not risk it. That is very dey risky. You dey hear me so?
Yeah.
Even before they even want carry their passport go give them, make dem go meet their lawyer first.
Yeah.
Confirm, ask lawyer. Without that, they should not just carry their passport go give all those people because all cities are not the same. There are wicked city will be seen, may not just like a Aduru. And they allow us to go see Memona they bring passport. It gets a city, if they even tell say go bring passport, you now you just get as you bring down, they will knock visa for you, they will give you documents. But on Wako City, they will be see me. If they see me, you go bring. If you know say your city wicked, no risk or your landlasa city, no your risk go bring your passport keep there. And I don't know what me see for inside my sister,
Bros, thank you very much, Thank you for your contribution.
Okay.
So now see here waiting our brother talk now. So if you get lawyer, contact your lawyer. So if you still have anything to contribute, you can as well call. Anyone can call in, no problem. Anyone can call in. So now be the thing. But I dey pray, but this deportation is real. But make everybody hold their hands strong, tight, well. And another thing be say sometimes some of our brothers they'll say maybe you get one man now we be say they are go. This man they don't tell am say make comot. They don't give am time make comot. Say think so time comot. This man never comot. Still they say make I go collect this month money. Make I do my brother. Sometimes now you say go collect money. From there they will carry you for us. So sometimes people know say you be the person, be the type. They don't tell you say me you go you find where you go first. You find where you go first. Like our sister when they ask you now whether you get do this. If her she go for Germany, she go France. Now she don't come back now. Now make me say make she give them because as she come back now with the doodoo, maybe they won't give her a document. Maybe they won't give her a document. But any which way now way, if you get lawyer, contact your lawyer. Some lawyer they will be say they be Wako lawyer. Some lawyer and Wako lawyer. Maybe the passport now, maybe they will say bring her now for batting. The Wako lawyer now will say no problem, carry the passport, go give them. If you can't carry and go now you can't know. So now be the thing. Now they beg our people, make we calm down. Some of us will be say if we go Lantra and we go they fight them for money. You'll see some Nigeria if they cut €5 come up for their money like this. They fight like say now they work the money. Why you cut my money? What did they bring that one? Which kind of nonsense be that one? My money must complete to Jesus, Nigeria. Okay, caller, you have a question here. Somebody is asking, how can you know if your city is good or bad? Anyway, for me, Fusnefeld-Brook, Landtras and Fusnefeld-Brook, they are very wicked. Anyway, Bayern, Munich, they are very, very wicked. Their things are different. Mostly, Fusnefeld-Brook is very wicked. Landtras and Fusnefeld-Brook is very wicked. They deport, but they give document also. They give document a lot. So that one I don't know, caller. So you can answer a question. How can you know if your city are wicked? So my people, I'm done for today. Please, if anyone have any question, you can ask your question. If you have any contribution to give, you can also call in and tell us what you also think about it. But please, I'm begging everyone, please try to be saving money. Europe is not safe anymore. Save money. And for those women that are having children every blessed day, Sister Parkwell, go break now. Go break now for picking matter. Go break. If your husband say me they born, not forget. See, oh God. Now they don't want to know whether you be single mother, whether you be single father, whether you born 50 children for Germany. And what I want to let you know be say, if you like born 100 children for Germany, those kids are not. They are not citizens of this Deutschland. They are not the citizen. But if you have a baby with a German man, yes, they are citizens. Maybe if you have paper with somebody that have good paper, not even Aduro paper. Hello, bros.
Hello, I see the question where that woman asked John Johnson.
Yeah.
No man, you onto the city where you be, you must know the kind of people where you visa for the fan now lie. You hear me? And you know they live for that city for how many months, for how many years. You suppose know the kind of behavior where your landrasa gets or the Christ, the community. You suppose know the kind of behavior where they get. Not the person will tell you, say, see as you want to do, see as you want to do, because like there you believe. That will be my answer to that woman.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay, now bye-bye.
Oh. So, my sister Johnson Ameze, so you don't answer your question now, eh? Don't answer your question now. So, Nigerians, may we change our way, the way we take the live for another man's land. May we change our way, may we try repent small. And sisters, then, advice, no worry, maybe tomorrow or next time, I will come send this special announcements, this special message. Give those women when we say that they even they plan to come Germany, wanna not try am, cause Germany no even they smile again, wanna not try am, wanna they manage that place when we so na there. If you get like Qatar, you want come here for work, you want come for work, no problem. That one different. Say you want come, you go see. Sometimes I don't know what they worry our Nigeria people. Sometimes you go see Nigeria person will be say get Qatar. Oh God, oh God, oh God. They get Qatar because of money will be say Germany they pay. They'll go keep they will give their Qatar or they will hide down. They'll sit down for a true house. God forbid tomorrow now say maybe party no come happen, sister brother. What you want come do? Eh? You can't begin to give wish. Do amuna zen, do amuna so. Eh? You can't say na Peter, you can't say na Paul, you can't say na your husband, na your ex-husband, na this one, na this one. Eh? Sometimes we still need to deduce our sins. Eh? We still need to deduce our sins. Make our sins not deduce us. Nigerians. Prince Omo Ali. Not be every situation when them say bring your passport. Now me say them one give you stay. It depends on your case. Sometimes you give and that will lead to Nigeria. Yes. So my people, before you give passport, contact your lawyer. Very important. Contact your lawyer before you give passport. Before you give them, contact your lawyer. If you not get good lawyer, even now self, you get as it be. Sometimes you say you dey carry private lawyer, some private lawyer, government lawyer. So some lawyers now they work hand to hand with those people, like the family when they deport for those ones not be Nigeria family anyway, na Kosovo. Those family now they collect money, they go give all the money to lawyer. The lawyer tell them say tomorrow una go court so that they go decide whether now stay or now comot. So after that one now, after they don't talk and the family don't give, and this one now we dey talk now, they see they pay for the children as well. They see they pay for the children, they can't carry all the money, give lawyer. So as the woman now, they don't carry the money, give lawyer now. The day now when they say they want go court now, early in the morning of it, that was 6 o'clock to 6, something like that. Me and that they kri. What did they happen? That they call me for phone because that time I dey work with them. So I dey work for the Aduru house. Then they call me. I was like, what did they happen? What did they happen? The woman can't come inside. The woman say, go open door now. Go open door. Now I say, this one where they knock like this, I've been at control. What did they happen? The woman say, children they sleep now. Go open. When she opened the door, God, you see police, see everybody. I was like, yeah. So some lawyer, I called the lawyer, say, see. Lawyer say, make I carry phone, give police. I give phone to police. Lawyer want tell police. Lawyer, they ask police why they want carry my enemy. Go. Now police say, they not come for me, they come for another family. As he give me phone back, now I tell the lawyer, say, no be me, now Kosovo family. Now know what the lawyer tell me. The lawyer saying, Mr. Webo, I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do. They have to go. They have this. I was like, what? But they paid you yesterday. He said, yeah, sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. So sometimes we need to be careful. Some lawyer they will be say they're good. Some lawyer they will be say their head no good at all. Some lawyer na bad head. Some lawyer dey when be say, and you see why they always dey tell our people say, "Mona go dey learn this language." Very, very important. Very, very, very important. Very important. Because sometimes now, maybe your lawyer fit even follow you go somewhere now. Wetin they go dey talk now, you yourself you no go understand. You think say maybe everything dey okay. Whereas the lawyer dey sell you there, you know they know. So make we be careful. Anything we dey do, make we dey put God first. Make I read comments. We should understand one thing: not all case lawyer dey win o. Some case of deportation is beyond a lawyer power and the person will still be deported. Nothing the lawyer can do, forget they pay or not. Yeah, that is it. That is it, That is it. So that is it, my people. We have to be careful because some lawyer dey will be say their head not still correct. They'll collect money for your hand, finish. They'll tell you say, "Shao, say Shao, there's nothing I can do." So that's it, my people. If you have any question, you can ask me because I have to go now, so that I can watch movie a little bit. And I know after the program now, people will start calling for hookup. So maybe before I will sleep today to still take time. And I'm also hungry. I need to eat as well. So if you have any question, please write your comment out. Or if you want to call in and ask your question, you can do that fast before I go. If you have any question, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, no. Okay, no question. So my people, good night everybody. See you all next time, okay? One love. I love you all. Father, we thank you for this wonderful program. Father, I commit everyone to your able hands. Father, oh Lord, I pray for those that need document. Father, grant them, oh Lord. Father, grant them stay. Father, oh Lord, I also pray for our brothers and sisters that are in deportation camp. Father, oh Lord, I pray for their release, oh Lord. Let them be free. Let them be free, oh Lord, in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So, the best thing is that during the time someone aduro is still effective, it's better for the person to use that opportunity to look how to turn it to resident. Then waiting that they will grant is all. So my people, I'm through. So good night. Somebody's calling now. Somebody is calling. God. I'm trying to connect you guys as well. Hello.
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 Hello. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening. So, my question is that if somebody now have baby for this Dutch land and the baby have documents and the woman have documents, so can government deport carry the father and the leave the baby and the mother? Why the baby is answering the name of the father and the baby has documents? Can they deport the father?
If the baby
was born there and
if the baby have documents
and
you are the father, you sign as the father. They're supposed to give you documents. Are you staying with the woman, but if they don't know you as the father, so you have to remove your idea, they are not going to give you any document. But if they know you as the father, you sign the father shaft, then it's possible for them to give you documents. Because you are the father, they cannot carry the father and leave the wife and the child alone.
Yeah.
Are you staying together with your woman?
Okay, with you. Yes.
Then you get the document.
With the father shaft and the birth certificate and the this 50-50 something. This
no, Sogerish, you don't need Sogerish.
Yeah.
Sogerish is another thing. What is important is the father shaft.
Yeah, father shaft is there and the birth certificate is there.
Yeah. Then you get documents. Maybe it may take time. It may take time, a little bit time, but the document must surely come. That one is true. It's sure. It must surely come. But it takes time sometimes. Take time, but the document will come.
Okay. All right. No problem. Thank you so much.
No problem, Ross. Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
If the parents is not, if the parents don't have documents, the baby will have documents. Then, the baby will not have documents. No, please, someone. The man said the baby have documents because they are together. Because they cannot just wake up one morning and say, they want to take the father and leave the. No, that one is impossible. It's not possible. They must surely give the man. If the woman say that this is my baby father or this is my husband, they will give. But if the woman don't say that, then forget it. That one they will not give. But since he's living in the same house with them, two of them have already, they must surely give the man. They will give the man. So any question again? Because I'm very hungry, I'm famished. I need something to eat. More question? More questions? I'm waiting. If you have any question, please ask fast. But if the document the mother is having, it depends on the paragraph. Somebody is calling in again. So, hello, bros.
Welcome, my sister.
I hear you, bros.
For waiting that guy has yours now.
Yeah.
Number one, say he dey live with them. That one good. Not be only father shaft go give her. You ask her whether he don't do 50-50 because I remember one.
Yeah, so that they reached. Yeah, I say get him.
He say get that one.
Yeah.
Because lawyer or Igbo answer, he will tell her say without that one, father shaft no fit give you.
Yeah.
But it's good if you get okay. Take care.
Boss, thank you. Somebody is also asking a question. Can somebody answer this question? First, let me go straight to our brother or prince or mom. But if the document the mother is having, another person is calling. I'm hungry. Sorry, I'm coming. I press another thing. Hold on, caller. I have to put it on speaker. Hello. Hello, caller. Good evening. Hello, caller. Yeah. So somebody is asking a question. If the man is not staying with the woman, is it possible for him to get document? No, that one is not possible because the man is not there. The man does not sign father shaft, and the man does not have rights. They know the lady as a single mother. Because like me now, for my two children, although my baby father, but sometimes I don't think it means that it's important for you to have the 50% before they can give. Because for my children, I have 100% right. But the father of my boy signed that if the boy belongs to him. So they give me documents. Hello? Hello? Yeah, good evening, sir.
Please, I want to correct you for something because I watch you for life.
Okay.
See, that's all good. It's very important. Without also very to be important thing. If you didn't have documents, and if you have documents, you can't say not to take care of the people. Yeah? The only time for that they can deport him.
No, the man is the man is yeah, so garish, yeah.
You are not taking no. That one you have power than even if you don't have power, you have no more power.
Wow.
Understand me?
Yeah.
The letter boy know that you're supposed to sign that already.
Yeah, he said he have it. He have it already. He said he have it.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much. Anyway, this thing is different one because for me, I have 100%, and the father of my baby does not have, so I have only rights for my children. But he signed that he's the father, and I have my documents. So maybe it's different anyway. Maybe it's because the man was German, he's not Nigeria. Maybe that's why it's a little bit different. The man is coming to join them soon. Is it possible? Yeah, of course. If he's coming to join them, if the woman will tell them that he's the father of the children, then they can give him document as well. But he has to be careful. He should not go there and start misbehaving, busting bottle. You know what I mean? Okay, that our brother is still calling again. You sign 50-50 rights and you are not taking care of the baby. By doing your right, the man will still be deported. Okay, you see now? For me, I think it is different.
Hello?
Me,
Yeah.
hello, continue, please. We are hearing
As
you.
I was saying, so yeah, as I was saying, all those things that those people ask, I have all those things. I have all those things, and again, my baby have 3 years, is born here. They give her documents on her own, not her mother give her.
The network is bad though. Mm. Yeah, we are hearing you. Mm.
That is the issue. I'm saying so. You know, are you hearing me?
Yeah, but your network is a little bit wavy.
So I said this is what I try to say because of all those things. I have it. I have father shout, and I have birth certificate. I
Okay.
have cigarette. I have everything. So and my baby have her own document, her own, not the mother give her a document, but she got automatic on her own. So and the mother have her own. So everything, and she's answering my name. They notice me as the father, and I live together with them. We are living together, and we are living together. We are living together, and they know that I'm the father because most everywhere that they call us, I have went there. They know that I'm the father of the baby. Since the baby was born, they know that I'm the father of the baby. So that's what I'm saying. And the two again, it's not. I have lawyer. I use lawyer to follow it once again. You know,
Yeah.
I use lawyer to follow it once again. So I did not just wait. I use lawyer to follow it so that it will be fast.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. So that is what is going on. So and the lawyer that we will use is the same lawyer, the lawyer that did everything with my woman and everything, the same lawyer that know the case everything. So one lawyer want everything, so he's handling everything. He knows about everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the thing. So that is how it goes.
Okay.
So that's why I ask you that. Then with all those things, can somebody can with all those things, can somebody still be deported?
For me, no, because for me, I don't think so, because you are the father. They can't take you and leave your wife and your children. They can't, because you have everything. And but you don't have to be fighting your wife, because if you are beating her, or the way Nigerian men are doing,
No, no, no,
maybe
no,
they may think,
no, no,
this
no, no,
man, all
no,
those things, then they may kick you.
no, no, no,
So
no, no.
anyway, for
And
me,
my woman too. My woman too understand, and they call her and she tried to tell them that no problem, and we are together since then. So she stands with me since then. So nothing.
then everything is okay. Then for me, everything is okay. You don't have to worry about anything. You'll get your paper sooner or later.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem, sir.
Thank you. That's my question. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
So my people, now don't hear any comments again. Any Ogala testimony, I don't know where they for release you come. They don't release you, Abi. They don't release you come off of page. Because he gets one person who I know when we still stay the same camp before. So they don't give her documents before her husband come. Her husband dey with her now since how many years now? Maybe 1 year or even more than. They never still give the man documents, but the man dey work, they fight am. Very soon now the man people go come outside. So my sister, for your question, Johnson Amazel, your paper, the man, if the man come meet them, they go they go answer am, they go give am paper. So far make the man no dey do gra make no come go dey fight, dey misbehave, dey think say maybe na Nigeria e dey or all those things. If you dey do those kind things, then hand fit meet am. So hand fit meet am. Thank you very much, Mercy Johnson. Johnson Amazing. So anyway, that's why I'm here on live video. So I'm not here for saga. I'm here to give correct information, the one I know. If I don't know, I also ask people, because I don't need whereby tomorrow people will start carrying fake rumors. They want to deport only single mother. That is lie. Germans are deporting. Be you single mother, be you single father, be you having 20 children. They want to deport, they say bye-bye. So that is it, my people. So any question again, because I'm famished. I need to eat something. I'm famished. So more questions. If you have any question, you can ask first before I go. Okay. And our brother Oyinbo, don't worry, they will answer you soon, because sometimes those people, they are strange. After my baby father signed the father shaft, I think I waited for more than 1 year. I waited for more than 1 year before I got my paper. So that is it. Please stay calm. You see, everything will be okay. Any question again? Because I'm going now. No question. Let me wait 5 minutes. If no question, then I will go. 9:39. So I'm waiting. If you have any question, you can write your question out. If you don't have, then I will close now. So no question. Good night, everybody. Wetin dey make them dey run from Italy to Germany? Make them not come back to Italy again. Just the Germany there. How is the man going to go about that when he come? Anyway, I think first the woman have to Johnson, I mentioned this your answer. The woman have to take the man to where, I don't know, or maybe she have to inform them first, because me too, I'm also planning that, because I think very soon my husband is going to join me here. My husband is going to join me here, so maybe first, I don't know, maybe first I have to go to Italy, then we'll get married here before we can come here, so that everything will be smooth and easy. Or maybe I have to first of all go to Lantrasam here to tell them that my husband is coming and is coming to sign for his daughter, because for him it's not that easy, because 4 years, I think there will be a little bit stress. So my sister, take him to Lantrasam or call your lawyer. Anyway, you must take him to Lantrasam. Take him to your Lantrasam. Tell them that this is your husband. Your husband is back and you want to be staying with you, or so. Maybe if they don't believe you, they can say that, okay, they might have to do DNA test, because sometimes now, you know, those German people, sometimes they behave strange. So anyway, to be easy, anyway, just take him to Lantrasam, and then they will tell you the next thing to do. Okay. So I'm hungry. Any question again? I think it's finished, huh? No more question, eh? Finish for today. Oh, good night, my people. Now do well. Oh, no more question. Now here, make I eat at the hunger. So, good night. I love you all. Good night. Good night. Please, nobody should come again. Good night. Oh, no question.